What's going on, everybody? Ian Manning here. Today we want to talk about that pelvic rotation and how hard it can be for some golfers to feel that motion. Simple thing that you can do is take a piece of tubing and it's going to help you to feel that rotation, but often I see people will hook up the tubing and pull it out down the target line, and that can usually lead to more of that sway motion versus that true rotation. So what I tell my golfers to do is you take the tubing, wear a pair of pants that have a belt loop on it, loop that tubing around one of the back corners of the belt loop, and then bring it around your body and hook it to something behind you. Today I'm going to use a dumbbell, but you can use anything at home that you can hook it onto to hold that, anchor that tubing. Bring it around it, and then you can start with just simply kind of patterning it and let that tubing pull you and rotate that pelvis to feel what that feels like, and then you can start to add your golf club to it. The more resistance you put on it, the more it's going to help you. So you want to start with a lot of resistance to get that feel, and then slowly get closer to feel like you're doing it more yourself with that same groove of that rotation versus that slide. So you can come up into your backswing and then let that band pull you to get that initial move of the hips rotating. So I hope that helps with your pelvic rotation, a really important piece to the golf swing. The more consistent you rotate your pelvis, the better you're going to have with your golf swing. You're going to have more distance, more consistency. I hope that helps. If you like, consider subscribing. If you have any questions, please comment below. Otherwise, we'll see you next time.